Hey friends, it's John, the Carnivore teacher, and today we're diving into one of the most powerful benefits of the carnivore way of eating, gut healing. If you have been dealing with bloating and gas and cramps and IBS, constipation, or even leaky gut, you're not alone. You don't have to live like that anymore. I'm going to explain exactly how and why eating only animal-based foods gives your gut the rest, repair, and resilience it needs. Let's break it down. The gut is damaged by plants and processed foods. That's a fact. Most people don't realize this, but a big part of why their gut is wrecked is because of what they're constantly putting in it. Fiber that scrapes and irritates, plant toxins like oxalates, lectins, and phytates, seed oils and emulsifiers in processed foods, sugar and processed carbs feeding bad bacteria and yeast. And let's not forget gluten, which is a lectin, which destroys the gut lining for many. Your gut is under attack all day long. No wonder people feel like they're falling apart. So what happens when you switch to carnivore? Let's check it out. Number one, elimination of irritants. You remove all the hard to digest plant compounds. No more fiber grinding through your guts. No more chemicals inflaming your intestinal lining. Number two, anti-inflammatory environment. Meat, especially fatty ruminant meat, is not inflammatory. It provides your body with nutrients in the most bioavailable form. That means you absorb what you eat instead of fermenting it and suffering from gas, bloating, and pain. Number three, your gut lining heals. The cells that make up your gut lining renew themselves every few days, but only if they aren't constantly being assaulted. When you're not bombarding them with irritants, they can finally regenerate. Number four, your microbiome stabilizes. The overgrowth of bad bacteria and yeast starts to fade when you stop feeding them sugar and starch. You don't need a diverse microbiome. You need a healthy one that is adapted to your proper human diet. Let me share with you my own experience and what I've seen in others. When I went full carnivore, the bloating disappeared. Gas, gone. My bathroom habits, regular. Clean, predictable, less frequent. No more running to the bathroom or wondering what food triggered me. And I've even seen it happen again and again for others. Crohn's, ulcerative colitis, SIBO, IBS, all improved or gone. So, the gut is the foundation of your immune system and your brain health, your energy, and your mood. And the carnivore diet gives your gut what it really wants, a break from the chaos. So if you are tired of treating the symptoms, try removing the cause. Eat meat, heal your gut, reclaim your life. If you found this interesting, click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this with your friends or family by clicking the share button. Have a good day.